Let's jump right in. Today we're breaking down the bull case for three wildly undervalued dividend stocks.
The market's absolutely surging right now. So are there still hidden dividend deals out there? You bet.
The S&P 500 is already up over 10%, but our source actually found three highly specific opportunities.
Stock number one is New Lake Capital Partners, a super specialized cannabis real estate investment trust.
Here's the core bull case. They're offering a genuinely massive 11.6% starting yield.
Now, with REITs, AFO is everything, and NLCP's adjusted funds easily cover those massive dividend payouts.
The big catalyst here, medical cannabis got reclassified from restrictive Schedule 1 down to Schedule 3. That means their tenants get normal business deductions. Stronger rent coverage means much safer dividends for you.
Plus, get this, their balance sheet is crazy rare for a REIT, more cash than debt.
Even with zero future dividend growth, fair value sits at $20.24. Huge upside.
Okay, moving on to Rayonier. This gives you exposure to a totally different hard asset, timberland.
This one boasts a solid 5% starting yield, plus a history of large special dividends.
When looking at price to book value, Rayonier is literally trading at a 5-year low. Their big advantage? 4 million acres of trees that can just keep growing if commodity prices drop.
So here's the catch. Their land is recorded at decades-old costs, drastically hiding its true value.
Management obviously knows this. That's exactly why they're aggressively buying back their own stock right now.
Finally, let's talk MasterCard, a massive dividend grower that shockingly dropped 17% last year.
Listen to this crazy contrast. A tiny starting yield, but an explosive 15% annual dividend growth.
Thanks to insane network effects, free cash flow margins organically grew from 38 to 51%.
The next big catalyst, AI booking your flights. That means way more transactions, providing a massive tailwind.
Earnings exploded 160%, but shares barely grew 31%. The valuation divergence is wild.
Modeling just 13% future cash flow growth implies some really significant upside at these current prices.
So, to summarize, three completely different undervalued dividend plays, each with some incredibly compelling growth catalysts.
A high-yield cannabis landlord, massive timber assets, or an exploding payment network. Which one caught your eye?